In this video, I'll show you how to add contacts in monday.com. First, log into your account and look to the left side for the workspaces section. Click the plus sign next to it to open options. Then select Start with Template. In the Template Center, type Contacts in the search bar and choose the Contacts template. Click Use Template and it will appear in your workspace with pre-made columns for names, emails, phone numbers, and notes. Now you can start adding your contacts directly into the template. This organized structure makes managing your contacts easy and boosts team collaboration, giving everyone clear visibility and a more efficient workflow. And that's it. Your contacts are now set up in monday.com, ready to streamline your project management.